Hi everyone, and special greetings to the new subscribers. You can make this recipe in about 10 minutes. It's really quick. For the sandwich I am using 2 pork loin chops, and I will pound them until they are about 1/3 of the original thickness. And I always put them in a plastic bag to minimize splatter and contamination. That's the perfect thickness for me. When you bite into a sandwich, you want to bite into the meat. This little hack makes sure that your pork doesn't curl when you put it on in the hot pan or on the hot pan. So make 4 small cuts on the edges of the pork chop, just like that. See? And now you just add salt and pepper on both sides. It seems a little minimalist, but trust me, they taste amazing. Meanwhile, while I'm doing that, I am already warming up the pan on medium heat for about 5 minutes before, with 1 teaspoon of oil before I put the pork chops on the pan. And I will cook them for about 2 minutes on each side. And as you can see, they don't curl, they stay flat on the pan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to receive notifications on new video recipes, and check out my other playlists. At the end, I will leave 2 other pork videos that are very yummy as well. I just added a little mayo to a sandwich. Then the pork chops, see, they're really tender and juicy, and sliced tomatoes. And I'm not putting any salt because the pork chops and the mayo already have salt. Let me know in the comments what you think about the sandwich, and remember that you can take this sandwich to work or eat it cold. Chaito.